Is your past sentence is good? Can you speak properly in your past sentence?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about your yesterday's schedule. Yeah, hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good too. So, Mukut, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Ma'am, as you know, my name is Mukut Sharma. I am from Rajasthan. I am an engineer by profession, and my hobbies is playing and watching cricket.
Oh, that's great. So you are an engineer.
Yeah.
You have done BTech.
Sorry?
You have done BTech.
Yeah.
Okay, which stream?
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering. That's great. That's great. So how come you are at this platform, Mukut?
Sorry?
How come you are at this platform? Am I not properly audible to you?
Yeah. Sometimes your voice is
Breaking.
cut.
Just a minute, huh?
No problem.
Yeah, now am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So I was asking, how come you are at this platform?
After 10th, I think my math science is very good, and I get very good marks in maths and science, both streams. So I think I want to make an engineer, so I select math science, and after that continue going that field.
Oh, that's great. So since long you are working?
I'm working last 6 years.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So would you talk to like on any topic, or we just can do random talks as per your choice?
Ma'am, no issue. Actually, I want to improve my English and himself, so I conversation with you.
Okay,
So
that's great. So are you interested in politics?
Yeah, no problem.
So let's talk about then politics. So what is the current situation politically in Rajasthan? How it's going?
In Rajasthan's last 1 years in political system is very ups and downs. Very ups and downs are come in political systems. Mm,
So
the
which
past
government is there?
Congress.
Acha, Congress is there. That's nice.
Yeah.
So how about Corona situation in Rajasthan? See, nowadays it's a hot topic. So
Corona is currently same in all over country, not in Rajasthan. But currently the cases in COVID decrease. So current situation is better than past few days.
Great. So have you got vaccinated?
Yeah, I got my first dose of vaccinations, and after a few days I got my second dose.
Yes, yes. So you are vaccinated with Covishield or Covaxin?
Vaccinated. I vaccinated with Covishield.
Covishield. Okay. So the time period is almost 84 to 90 days between one dose
Yeah,
and another dose, right?
yeah, yeah. I have completed 60 days.
Oh, that's
My
great.
first
So
dose.
within 1 month, you are going to take your another vaccination. So you will be fully
Yeah.
vaccinated.
Yeah.
Yes. So coming
When
to
government,
your, yeah.
when government announced the 18 to 45 age groups vaccinations, I got my dose first day.
Oh, that's so nice of you. But getting slot was very difficult. So how come in the starting only you got your vaccination?
Yeah, no, I had no problem to slot reserve because we are aware uh, we are aware for vaccinations that vaccination is compulsory. So I booked slot in my first day. So I have no no many problems.
Oh.
After that, the problems are created when people know about that.
Okay, okay. So coming to our English part, what steps you are taking to improve your English?
I to improve my English, I read some English books. I watch many English videos, clapping videos, comedy videos, and last mm, 1 month, last many times I watch your videos.
Oh, that's so nice of you. So how many people you have conversed with, Mukut?
Sorry.
With how many people you have conversed with till now? Like we are conversing with each other. So like us, how many people you have conversed with?
No, no. I conversation with my friends, and I book demo class on Clefingo, and this is my first conversation with you.
Okay, that's great. So do you read books as well to improve your spoken English?
Yeah. I read books, I watch videos, and I read novel.
So what type of books you like to read?
Ma'am, I read novel books and 10th books, 12th books, and I read story books.
Okay, so are you finding helpful reading books in your spoken English?
Yeah, definitely.
So how much time do you take your spoken, do you give your spoken English?
Something 1 to 2 hours daily I improve my spoken.
Okay, so how much you rate yourself in terms of English?
Currently my English is not so good, but I continue to do practice to improve my English.
Yes. No, who is saying that your English is not good? Your English is good. See, if you are able to make sentences, it seems that you are able to make sentences, then you are okay with your English. But yes, there are many steps where you stuck. So this is the only thing you need to improve.
Please suggest me to way I improve my English.
Yeah. So as per me, first thing, you need to converse with as many people as you can in a day.
Okay.
The second thing, as you said that you do watch English movies and English content, then try to watch those movies or those English content which you like the most. And try to watch those content which are easy to understand and the people who speaks good English.
Yeah.
Like there are so many YouTubers nowadays who are doing very great jobs. They tell us sentence wise English speaking. So try to follow those YouTubers. Like I would recommend you should watch Awal's Creation. He is a very good YouTuber. And the another one is Alina Rais. So these are two best YouTuber which I also follow. I never miss their videos. So I would recommend you to watch their videos as well.
Okay.
See, the more we listen, the more we speak, only then we will be able to speak good English.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Okay. So when it comes to the self-analysis part, like if I talk about myself, I stuck at many places. So I am good in past, future, and present sentences, but I am stuck at many of the places. This is my self-analysis. So what is your self-analysis? Like where do you find yourself hindered? Like if I ask you, is your past sentence is good? Can you speak properly in your past sentence?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about your yesterday's schedule.
Yesterday schedule is I wake up morning at 6 a.m. After that, I completed my routine work, and after that, I'm busy in some work. And yesterday, the Saturday, so me and my friend was go to Hanumanji temple, and yeah, and after comes I'm busy in my personal works.
I was.
I was sorry, I was busy in my personal works and so on.
Great. So what did you had in your lunch, breakfast and dinner yesterday?
I did my lunch at 1:30 p.m.
Hmm. And what did you have in your lunch?
Normal lunch, just chapati and sabji.
Yes. See why I'm asking all these things, because when we practice our daily routines, that will be more than enough to be fluent in our English. See, when I started my speaking part, on daily basis, I used to repeat my yesterday, my present, and my future coming days routine. So it helped me a lot in my spoken part. So that's why I'm asking you, because whenever we practice our past sentences, then we will be able to get command over was, were, had. So these past verbs we need to use.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, so tell me your tomorrow's plan. What have you planned for tomorrow?
For tomorrow, my plan is to wake up at early in the morning. After that, I want to go to for exercise and running.
Okay.
After that, I came and
Don't use came. Try to focus on the sentences. Don't use came. Try to avoid these sentences. Think and then speak.
Okay.
Yes.
And after that, I will go to my office and do work, and after at lunchtime I will do my lunch, and at evening time I will come and go on.
Yes, that's nice. So this is the only thing you need to practice when, if you are not finding any conversation partner, that's good enough. You just try to speak yourself. Whenever you are free, you are sitting just like that. So you can note down your yesterday routine and then you can speak that louder. Yes.
Actually, ma'am, when I am free and I am alone, I think many sentences in English and continue I thinking in English in my mind. But when I due to less of practice and we are not habitual, so I conversation with any other, then I had problems to convert. Okay.
So yeah, so it's nice talking to you, Mukut. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am, for your advice and your suggestion. I will try my best.
Yes. You just keep on practicing. Speak to as much people as you can.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Take care, Mukut. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.